Hey Uncle Mike, it's me Shannon. I am going to show you what Leilani, Fauxhawk, and Budget look like. Here's Leilani. Say hi, Leilani. She's our sun conure. She loves staying upside down. Hey, Leilani. And then we have Fauxhawk. Say hi, Fofo. Lele, stop chewing on the camera. Look at you, Lele, hogging the camera just like Nikki. You need to meet Nikki, you know that? Ah! She's Attack of the Giant Birdie. Going after the camera. Whee! Where's Fofo? Oh, Fofo's playing games with us. Hey, Fofo. Lele. Ah! Hey, Fauxhawk. She's our brand new cockatiel. And then where's Budget? There we go, Budgie. Hello, Lele, again. She's a little insane. Lele. Can you say hi, Budgie? Budgie's words are, hi, Shannon, I love you. Good Budgie, I am a pretty bird. So those are the words that she says. And so, teaching her how to say those. Hello. So, there's our birdies. A little wacky at the moment. So, have a great time with your birdies. Say hi to Nikki, Lucy, and all the other peoples for me. Bye.